Hello everyone, welcome back. So let here we have to go to the like login page. Then now you are easily accessible this page. If you want, you can just prevent this in the sign in page. In the session, if we have the user detail, then just you will redirect it to the home page. Basically, whatever you have your user roles. So just leave it. So here we have to I want to implement in the login with Google feature. So for it, you need to two things like this one. Here we have already implemented that Google here Google Client ID and Google Client Secret. So copy this, then we will go inside config.js files, and then create that variables inside string. Then similarly for Google Client Secret, copy this, go for config.js files, const, paste it here, just make it interesting. Now we will just export that variable. Then similarly Google Client Secret here. Now we have to go copy this, go inside config.js files, next config, then we will redirect here. So that's why here write what config dot Google Client ID. Then similarly for secret IDs, config dot Google Client Secret here. Got it? Now you are easily accessible this variable inside middlewares. Here in this one, guys, basically inside auth options here, you will easily access here. Now the next what we have to do here, we need in this Google Client ID, then Google Client Secret. So let me here open your browser, and then you need to go to the Google console here. Just you will type here what Google console, and then here you got your IDs, Google Cloud Platforms. Here, make sure that first you have to create your account if you have not yet created. Then here you have to just click on this one. This is what hotel, and then create the new project and your project name food food ecom. Just create here. Now this create project food ecom. Select your projects here. We need in this one what API key. Just you have to click here API and services. It is very simple. Here we just need Google Client ID and Google Secret key. And then if you go out here, here we have to create what consent screen. Then inside it, click here get started. Then here enter your emails. And then app name. App name what you will write here like food food ecom. Then next external, next email address, same email, guys. Next, then here finish here, create your project. Then we have to append it if it needs some informations. Okay, so now after that here we have to go to the back. We have successfully created everything. Okay, here guys, again we will, this is food ecom. Let me go to this one. Then we will create here credentials. Let me click on this this link, then you will here create credentials. Here just click on OAuth client ID request user consent so that your app can access the user data. So inside it, from here just you get your applications from your applications. Then here add your URI. In my case, what? Copy this, then paste it here, guys. Now similarly for your redirect URI, for redirected URI you have to go to the Next.Auth. Next.Auth, login with Google. Then we will put here your development environment on Google logins. Go to the documentation, go for the provider, and then click on the Google's find your Google, this one. And for here for the development mode, you will copy this link and put inside here. Now we will just create here. Okay, now you will got your client IDs. This is your client ID and then this is your client secret. You have to just use inside your projects, copy it here, paste it here. Then similarly your secret, client secret, copy it, then paste it here. So inside it, now fine. Then this is your Google client ID secret. Now let me close all here. Then you need to go inside your login page or register page. You will implement on both pages if you want. Like I am going to implement on the login page, and you will find for the Google's here. This is login with Google. Let me find it how we will log in with that one. This is Google providers. So you'll see it is very simple, guys. Here you have to go inside it, on click here, on click, and then sign in inside this thing, put here Google, and then here you have to write callbacks, and then forward slash, just we will redirect it to the home page. Let me remove this. Just we will check it here. Go your application and try to log in here. Click on this login button, and then if everything is fine, then it will be redirected to the your Google page. Check it here, your terminal. Okay, here we have to again restart your servers. So let me refresh it and you will check it here, your terminal. Now it is login page. Try to here refresh it now. Then if everything is fine, then you will see here. We will try to log in with Google. We will not going to implement with Facebook and Apple. We will just implement login with Google. So it is still compiling. Login session undefined, and you got issue with that. Okay, guys. So let me check here your documentations. Like this one, guys. Copy this. Then let's remove this, paste it here. So here try to log in with Google, as well as write here callback URL, callback URL, redirect to the home page. Okay, if you successfully logged in, then it will be redirected to the home page. Now check it here. Okay, you will see it will be redirected, but we will go to the home page. Basically, your login page here. Then here, let me here remove this. Go for login page. Then again, we will try to with login to Google. Let me click here. Now you say sign in with Google account. Just here you have to click on this one, and it is ask here allow. Here Google will allow for the com to access this info about you. So just allow it, and if everything is fine, then this your detail we will save in the database, like name, email, and pictures. Now you see here you successfully logged in, and if you logged in, it will be redirected to the home page. Just you will see here, and your profile picture also changes. Then you will match with my Google account picture, this one and this one matched, as well as you will check it here your collections. Let me you will check it here this email, this one, this name, this email, and this is a Google profile picture and the role of user. Because of this one, this line of code, you will save here. Go inside users, inside auth options. Here, this line of code, guys. Here we have to saving your Google login social details. If it is not found in the database, then we will create the new user and saving the database like email, like name, like image. All this data you will get from the Google. So that's why this data you will see here in the database. Here, got it. So now here everything is fine. So in the next lecture, guys, here we have decided to implementing your forget feature. Here forget password feature, this one. We will first create this page, then we will implement its backend logic. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.